Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Newton's first law of motion. This PPT is made by Ayush Doke, Rohan Burle, Sumit Havaldar, Sumit Dhawre, and in guidance of Trupti Aher and Mrs. Dipali Deshmukh. Introduction. Newton published three laws of motion in the 17th century. In this article, we are going to talk about Newton's first law. This is an introduction to motion of the object and the force acting on it. In other words, it deals with motion of an object and its relation to force. What is Newton's first law of motion? Newton's first law of motion states that a body remains in the states of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless and until an external force acts on it. Putting Newton's first law of motion in simple words, a body will not start moving until and unless an external force acts on it. Once it is set in motion, it will not stop or change its velocity until and unless some force acts upon it once more. The first law of motion is sometimes also known as the law of inertia. There are two conditions in which first law of motion is dependent. First, objects at rest. When an object is at rest, velocity and acceleration are zero. Therefore, the object continues to be at rest. Second, object in motion. When an object is in motion, the velocity is not equal to zero. While acceleration is equal to zero, therefore the object will continue to be in motion with constant velocity in the same direction. What is external force? An external force is defined as the change in the mechanical energy, that is either the kinetic energy or potential energy in an object. These forces are caused by external agents. Example of external forces are friction force and air resistance. Let us understand first law of motion by an example. Let's take an object on a smooth surface. By smooth, we mean that there is no friction acting on the surface. The block is at rest, that is, it is not moving. Now let us examine the force acting on the block. The only forces acting on the block are force of gravity and the normal reaction by the surface. There is force acting on it in the horizontal direction. Since the force in the vertical direction are equal to each other in magnitude, they cancel each other out. Hence, there is no external force on the block. Since this block is at rest, we can say that it confirms Newton's first law of motion. Now, if we apply the constant force F on the block in horizontal direction, it will start moving with some constant acceleration in the direction of the applied force. Thus, the first law of motion is confirmed. Newton's first law of motion examples in daily life. Wearing a seatbelt while driving a car is an example of Newton's first law of motion. If an accident occurs or if brakes are applied to the car suddenly, the body will tend to continue its inertia and move forward, probably proving fatal. To prevent such accidents, seat belts are used, which stops body from moving forward in inertia, avoiding danger. Thank you.